So y'all hang tight as I go back here to get another load of oak. It's an obstacle course through here, y'all. And this is the last of this oak. I'm gonna go ahead and use it because I got plenty that I can put back in here. I got a big pile of oak right there. And this is a 4x8 rack right here, y'all. It's official. So this is how I know when I give people truckload, this is how much wood they get. So all of this is going, and then I'll transition over to the other location and get the rest of the wood for the load. This wood here has been sitting here for 2 years and it's been racked. And like I said, if the wind don't hit it, nothing much changes. But I know for a fact this wood is less than 20% moisture and it's oak. So this is what today's customer gonna get. It is what it is. And that's the last piece out of that rack.